Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just tap on this kind of profile and here we've got our list. So all you need to do now is to localize the contact that you'd like to customize and tap on it. Now let's tap on edit, so this edit icon, and tap on picture. Here give the access to the photos and videos, so you'll be able to choose something from your own gallery, so just tap on allow all. And this is the section from which we can choose the photo. Here we've got our own gallery. Of course, you can use your own photo. Here you've got the Creative Studio, stickers, the avatar and the colors. In the right upper corner, you've got also the camera icon. So after tapping on it, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. So I think I will do it because I've got only the black photos in my camera. So let me quickly catch a photo of maybe those logos. All right, we've got it. Let's tap on OK if it is all right. Now you can choose where to apply it. So you can choose it as a profile card or picture. I highly recommend to set a different photo to a profile card, so you will have like, let's say 2 dimensions, right? So for example, the picture of the person whose contact you are customizing, and in profile card, for example, I don't know, a photo of a place where you've been with this person or something like that. But I will just pick both. After that, we are able to customize the photo, so we can zoom it in and out, and thanks to it we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to. Here you can change the style if you want to. So you're going to the Creative Studio, I believe. So you need your Samsung account. So I just don't want to log in right now, but you can, for example, change the photo to a different style. Here we've got the effects, so basically we've got the original one, the grayscale, and the colors, where we can just apply a layer of color on top of the photo. So it's up to you. And here you can tap on image in order to change it. All right, so if you're happy with the results, just tap on done in the right upper corner, and this is how our profile will look like. I mean the picture will look like. So just tap on save to confirm, and here we've got our profile card, which I've discussed before, and this is our profile picture, so basically the contact photo. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.